Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia. If today is your first time on my channel, and in this video I'm happy to share with you how to make homemade croissants, very soft and tasty and very easy to make with few ingredients. So I hope you will enjoy this recipe, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share and comment. And thank you once again for always coming back to support my channel and for more amazing videos. So let's get started. For my ingredients, I'll be using 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a cup of warm milk, 1 cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'll be using the dough mixer to mix it all together until it's fine and smooth for about 10 minutes. Next, I'll transfer it onto a dough mat and I'll lightly knead it for a few seconds. I will transfer it into the mixer. I'll cover and let it rest in a warm place for 1 hour. Next, I'll cut 1 large parchment paper, and to it I'll add 150 grams of cold butter. I'll fold in the parchment paper and gently beat and spread the butter. This is how the butter should fill inside the parchment paper. And next, I'll let it rest in the fridge for about 1 hour. And at this point, the dough has risen in size or doubled in size after 1 hour. So I'll now transfer it on the flat surface. I'll lightly knead it and spread it out. So I'll now wrap it up and let it rest in the fridge for about 2 hours. Helps the butter not to melt. And after 2 hours, it's nice and cold. So I'll now unwrap it and roll it out on a flat surface. Next, I'll transfer the cold butter in the middle, and I'll fold in the side. And next, I'll be rolling it out with the rolling pin. And also make sure all the edges are covered so the butter doesn't come out. I'll fold it again the second and third time again and roll it out. So I'll wrap it up again and let it sit in the fridge to rest for 1 hour. And after 1 hour, it's now the dough is hard, so I'll transfer it on the flat surface and roll it out again. I'll now trim the edges. And I'll make 3 slits on the top and bottom edges. And now with the help of a ruler, I'll slice in large 7 triangles. And I will tightly roll it out. Next, I will transfer and arrange them on the baking sheets. And I'll let it rest for 1 hour to double in size. So after 1 hour, it has doubled in size and looking good. So I'll now brush it with egg wash. So it's a mixture of egg and milk. And I've already preheated my oven to 350 degrees Celsius. And I'll be baking it for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's golden brown. So after 25 minutes, our croissant is looking good, flaky and delicious and very soft. So this is fresh homemade croissants. It's very tasty. Soft in the inside and crunchy outside. And I hope you have enjoyed this simple and tasty, delicious homemade croissants. And thank you all to my new and returning subscribers and always supporting my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.